In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to get fast delivery on Temu. If you're looking to receive your purchases quickly, this step-by-step guide will help you maximize your shipping options. Let's dive in and make sure you get your items as soon as possible. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Temu website. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in Temu.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a wide selection of products ranging from clothing and beauty items to home goods and jewelry. Feel free to explore and add any items you're interested in to your cart. Remember, the key to fast delivery is ensuring that the items you choose are eligible for expedited shipping, so keep an eye out for those options. Next, click on the cart icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the web page. This will take you to your shopping cart where you can review all the items you've selected. Take a moment to double check that everything you want is right there. If you find that any item doesn't quite fit your needs, now's your chance to either remove or exchange it for something else. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to choose which item you want to check out. Simply select the ones you're ready to purchase. It's important to note that not all items might have the same shipping options available, so be sure to confirm the details for each product. After selecting your items, look for the shipping options provided. If express shipping is available, this is your chance to select it. Choosing express shipping ensures your items will arrive faster than standard delivery options. This step is crucial for those of you who are eager to receive your orders promptly. However, do keep in mind that express shipping might come with an additional cost, so weigh your need for speed against any extra charges. Once you've decided on the shipping method, the next move is to proceed to place your order. When you click to finalize your purchase, you'll be prompted to enter your shipping and payment information. Ensure everything is accurate to avoid any unnecessary delays. After entering these details, take a quick moment to verify everything in your cart and check the total cost. Finally, submit your order. Voila, your task is complete. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly, and all that's left is to wait for your package to arrive. Be sure to monitor your email for any updates regarding the status of your delivery, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Temu orders get to you as fast as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!